Alright, so here's some more dehydrating. Looking for things to dehydrate. I came up with some pickled peppers of mine. I pickled these a while back, so I figured I'd give them a try. These were homegrown, and I figured I'd give them a shot at seeing what it's like to dehydrate them. So I'm going to cut the bigger ones open to help them dehydrate better. The little ones we'll just throw them on there. It'll take them a little while to dehydrate, but got plenty of time, so here we go. They were quite yummy, but I had more that I could actually use, so oh, yum. So I'm going to try to dehydrate these, see what they taste like. Right. I'll give them a little bit of a slice. Alright. Now, at a suggestion from a friend, it was suggested that I dehydrate or dry out some peanuts and then grind them up. She said that they taste really yummy on yogurt and imagine ice cream as well. So use these trays. I'm going to do a mix of cashews, and then a mix of peanuts. Now they're already pretty dry, but I'm going to give them another run through the dehydrator, get any moisture out of them that I can. And I plan to grind them up and then put them back on the dehydrating trays. See if I can dry out any more moisture. So that looks good there. And since I have one more tray, what I think I'll do some bananas. Bananas are always yummy, dried out. Make a great snack. Who knows, maybe they'll taste good ground up too. So we'll just do 2 bananas today. If they turn out well, maybe I'll do more. We'll get them spaced out. Hopefully they will not absorb the smell of the hot peppers down there. Hopefully they won't, but we shall see. If they do absorb some of the smell, then I'll retry it with bananas separately, but we shall see. Okay, here we go with the blending. I've dehydrated all those ingredients for a good solid 48 hours just to make sure I get all the moisture out of it. So we're going to go ahead and start with the bananas. They don't look entirely appetizing, but let's see what happens when we blend them, grind them up a little bit. So here we go. Here we go. Whew. The smell is very banana-y. Alright. Pretty interesting. That is 2 whole bananas dehydrated and blended up. Tastes okay. So before we go to the next ingredient, let's give it all a quick wipe down. Alright. So let's do the cashews. Cashews, yeah, look at that. That's what I thought. There's a little bit of moisture still in there, probably due to the oils. So what I'm going to do is I'll do some peanuts next. I suspect we'll have the same result. So here we go. Most of the peanuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these ingredients back into the dehydrator. I'm going to do the cashews over here. Space it out just so I know which one's which. That's cashews right there. Peanuts. Yep. Yeah, the oil and the peanuts is holding it together, making it still very sticky. So, the peanuts more so than the cashews. Go ahead and we'll try to break that up a little bit. That is going to go back in the dehydrator. So before I do the peppers, let's try to get a bunch of this peanut residue out. Good enough almost. So next we're going to do the peppers. Historically, I've had a lot of good luck with dehydrated peppers in the blender. So, there we go. Get all these little boogers in there. Alright, so here we go. Well, not too bad. Potent smell though. Alright. There we go. All them hot peppers ground down to almost nothing. Look at that. Let's try that. Interesting taste. A little bit of heat there. Those might even taste good on like chips or something. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. Alright, the ground up peanuts and cashews have been in the dehydrator for about a good 36 hours. Cashews, they don't look all too bad, but you can tell there's some moisture in there that prevents it from becoming a true powder. Still will probably taste good in ice cream or any place else where you put nuts, cookies maybe. The peanuts, there's so much moisture in them that it's more like a paste, kind of like a peanut butter. And I assume that's probably due to all the oil that's in peanuts. So I could probably grind these up a little bit more, but it wouldn't get any better. But we could make probably some good peanut butter. Hope you enjoyed this.